In these problems, we are dividing by fractions. And dividing by a fraction is actually pretty simple. You have to flip the fraction upside down. That is, you take its reciprocal and then you multiply instead of dividing. It's kind of using two opposites, right? Division and multiplication are opposites, and a reciprocal is the opposite of its number. So multiplying by the reciprocal is the same as dividing by the number. So let me show you how that works here. We have 9 divided by 1/4. We're going to convert that into 9 times 4 over 1. And 4 over 1 is just 4, so this is 9 times 4. That's 36. Let's try this next one. Here we have 1/4 divided by 9. Now, in this case, we don't have a fraction, so how do we approach this? Well, remember, any whole number is a fraction. You just put it over 1. So now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take 1/4, change it to multiplication, and take the reciprocal. So 1 over 9 instead of 9 over 1. And now we multiply it. And when you multiply fractions, you multiply across the top and across the bottom. 4 times 9 is 36. So 9 divided by 1/4 is 36. 1/4 divided by 9 is 1/36. All right, let's do one more. So 8 divided by 1/7. So we're going to convert this to multiplication by using the reciprocal of the thing we're dividing by. And that is really just 8 times 7, and that is 56. So maybe you're starting to see a pattern here. When you divide something by a unit fraction, one with 1 on top, so dividing by 1/2 or 1/3 or 1/4, you're actually multiplying by what's in the denominator. So 8 divided by 1/2 is the same as 8 times 2. All right, now here we have 1/7 divided by 8. So I'm going to convert this to a fraction, and then we'll turn this into a multiplication problem by taking the reciprocal of that fraction we're dividing by. And now we'll do the multiplication. On top, 1 times 1 is 1, and on the bottom, 7 times 8, 56. So 8 divided by 1/7 is 56, and 1/7 divided by 8 is 1/56. So that's a little bit of work with dividing by fractions.